We pinky promise. We pinky promise. I just bought a pearl necklace. I just bought a pearl necklace. I got airsick on the plane. I got airsick on the plane. Don't text while driving. Don't text while driving. We're having an arm wrestling match. We're having an arm wrestling match. He eats so messily. He eats so messily. I'm getting an IV drip. I'm getting an IV drip. I'm out of money. I'm out of money. I'm eating roasted sweet potatoes. I'm eating roasted sweet potatoes. Let's say grace before we eat. Let's say grace before we eat. I'm taking some painkillers. I'm taking some painkillers. We're visiting our grandparents this weekend. We're visiting our grandparents this weekend. I got overheated. I got overheated. I wipe my sweat with a towel. I wipe my sweat with a towel. Look, I can touch my toes now. Look, I can touch my toes now. I'm thirsty. Can I have some water? I'm thirsty. Can I have some water? I brush my teeth twice a day. I brush my teeth twice a day. I'm on a raw food diet. I'm on a raw food diet. I'm a preschool teacher. I'm a preschool teacher. I'm hanging out at a cafe with my friends. I'm hanging out at a cafe with my friends. The toilet is clogged. The toilet is clogged. I'm delivering a package. I'm delivering a package. I want to lose my belly fat. I want to lose my belly fat. He works as a carpenter in a small workshop. He works as a carpenter in a small workshop. What's in there? I'm scared. What's in there? I'm scared. Mom, can you help me roll the dough? Mom, can you help me roll the dough? It's okay, sweetie. Don't worry. It's okay, sweetie. Don't worry. I hate eating vegetables. I hate eating vegetables. My sister is 8 months pregnant. My sister is 8 months pregnant. My dream is to become an astronaut. My dream is to become an astronaut. I'm shoveling the snow right now. I'm shoveling the snow right now. I'm sweating so much. I'm sweating so much. I'm having a lunchbox today. I'm having a lunchbox today. I'm going for a full checkup tomorrow. I'm going for a full checkup tomorrow. I'm talking with my coworkers. I'm talking with my coworkers. I'm wiping my nose. I'm wiping my nose. This is for you. This is for you. I use my inhaler when I can't breathe well. I use my inhaler when I can't breathe well. I relax and read a book in the evening. I relax and read a book in the evening. I get mad so easily these days. I get mad so easily these days. The weather forecast says it's going to be sunny. The weather forecast says it's going to be sunny. The mailman comes every morning. The mailman comes every morning. Mom, I love you so much. Mom, I love you so much. I have no idea how to do this homework. I have no idea how to do this homework. I'm recording my voice right now. I'm recording my voice right now. Let me adjust the music first. Let me adjust the music first. I'm kneading the dough. It's so soft. I'm kneading the dough. It's so soft. He performs surgeries every day. He performs surgeries every day. I've got rashes all over my body. I've got rashes all over my body. I feel super healthy today. I feel super healthy today.